What up, peoples? Ollie, Never Dead Stock, back once again. New video. This time around I'm gonna compare two essential hoodies. No matter the season, you need some essential hoodies. In winter and fall, it speaks for itself. When in spring, sometimes you have a cold night, you want to throw on a hoodie. So in this video, I'm going to compare my two favorite hoodies. This Reigning Champ Midway Twill hoodie in black and the Champion Reverse Weave hoodie in gray. Let's start off with this one. Personally, I think this is one of the greatest hoodies out there. It's a midweight hoodie. It's about 10 ounces. It's Canadian made. It's very good quality. I got it in a large. I don't like my hoodies to fit baggy, you know, the whole Yeezy style. I'm trying to stay away from that. I like to keep it timeless. So I got it in my true size, a size large. Perfect fit, great quality, great craftsmanship. The Reigning Champ Midway Twill in black. So as you can see, the fit is perfect. It's not too long, not too short. You got the cream drawstrings. Yeah, it's just a great hoodie. It's midweight, so it's for all seasons. Reigning Champ also carries a lightweight and a heavyweight, but if you're only gonna get one Reigning Champ hoodie, I recommend the midweight twill. I like to throw this on with a Penfield Honda jacket. It's very clean, very timeless. And for kicks, I usually go with the ZX500s from Adidas. They're made in Germany. Nice, white, clean. Or the Jordan 1 Cyber Monday. Straightforward, nothing too special, but very, very timeless. The second hoodie I'm gonna throw on is this Champion Reverse Weave in gray. I took it in my true size. This is a size L. I'm about 5'10", 85 kilos. It fits slightly different than the Reigning Champ. It's a little bit more boxy. The sleeves are a little wider, but still very nice fit. It got a long cuff. The kangaroo pouch sits a little bit high. It makes it different from other hoodies. Very straightforward. Got the Champion logo on the chest, Champion logo on the sleeve. Just a classic piece you can have for years in your wardrobe. I recommend, if you want a gray hoodie, look into the Champion Reverse Weave. I will try to put links of both hoodies in the description. I like to throw this one on with a military jacket I bought at the thrift store way back. I really like the contrast of the gray and the green. I combine it with this Nike SB 5-panel and you're good to go. The kicks I would rock with this fit, the Nike Lab Air Force Ones in the Urban Haze colorway. If you want to see the review, check my videos. The other jacket I like to throw on with this piece is this Carhartt bomber jacket that also contrasts beautifully with the sweater. The brownish colorway combined with the gray, just very clean. The kick I would rock with this fit is the Nike Lab Air Flight 89 in the Vegeta Tan colorway. Also a review up on my channel of this shoe. Go check it out and give it a thumbs up. So that's it for this video. I made this video because I was searching for reviews on hoodies. I couldn't find a lot, so I decided, let me just make this video to help y'all out. Hit the like button, subscribe, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Ow.